Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel World Info. So guys, today I came with an amazing software which help you in transferring your photos, videos and documents from iOS to PC. And also if you are going to buy a new phone, used phone, not new, used phone, so it's help you a lot. This software helps you a lot in it because it gives you all information about your phones that yeah, the battery has changed or the camera has changed. uh, Most of the people don't know that their cameras are original or not, so this software help you a lot. So let's move towards our video, and if you are new here, don't forget to like this video and share this video to your family, friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel World Info. So let's move towards our video. So guys, here is the website called www.3u.com. You may download your this software from this website, or you may download from another website, depends on you, but this site is official, so I prefer you to download from this original website. You have to click on the download button, and it takes usually 2 to 3 minutes because it's only 110 MB file, so it didn't take most time. It take less time, didn't take most of the time, so you don't have to worry that the file is so big, fala. So yeah, so I'm canceling this file because I already downloaded this file. So here's the when you download and install, so the outlet of this software is like this. So you have to connect your phone via USB. So I'm connecting. So yeah, bang, you see that it shows that my phone iOS version is this. My phone is jailbroken or not. It says no, my phone is activated or not. It says activated. Also my product type, sale model, IMEI number, serial number, ECID verification. But you have to, once you plug the pins to your mobile phone, you have to click on the trust to my computer, and you have to provide your code. So then it will connect it, otherwise it will not. So it gives you all thing that phone has warranty or not, what is CPU type, and also many other things. I will show you. You see that uh, my phone has battery my phone battery is changed, which is done by myself. Also my rear camera and front camera are changed, which is also done by myself. So yeah, this provide you full information of your phone. You don't have to worry that how can I know that the phone is open or not. This software helps you a lot in this thing, so you must check this software. And also if you want to transfer photos, so you have to click on photos, you have to click on camera roll. If I want to transfer this, I will export this, and yeah, where I have to transfer, I choose iPhone. Yeah, it transferred. Simple and easy. If you want to transfer music, most of the people have this problem that they can't transfer musics to their phones. So this software help you a lot in transferring music also from your PC to iOS. So as you guys see, I transferred most of the songs. So yeah, and also it will your phone work as a USB. Yeah, and also if you go on files, the file will appear like Android phones. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel World Info, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, families. So yeah, that's all.